Had me in your possession, had you swimming inside my affection. But with you I came second, so I cut off the connection.
Magic on Minnehaha. I'm Bronwyn Scott Woods, and today I'm here at 17 Minnehaha Avenue in Woodlands Park. This Fraemohs home is the perfect place for bringing up your children. It's your very own log cabin, and it's walking distance to Minnehaha Community Kindergarten in one direction and Woodlands Park Primary School in the other. So make sure you add this one to your list of properties to view this weekend and come and see what 17 Minnehaha Avenue has to offer you.
No, you don't get to come back, crying over the love that you...
When you enter this home, you feel the cozy charm of exposed timber, but with the added bonus of modern attributes like this new kitchen with granite bench top, 2 ovens, and a butler's pantry. And don't forget the underfloor heating.
You won't sleep on a good love. Keep on talking, but I'm already gone. You had your shot, but you went about it all wrong. Tried to pull you in close, eyes were locked on your phone. Now you're sour, cause I'm moving.
You're really gonna love the entertaining decks and the flat usable land, the spectacular view out over the valley, and the native bird life.
I could have been all yours, but you're out of chances. No, you don't get to come back, crying over the love that you had. Maybe next try, maybe next time you'll hold on to what you have. No, you don't get to show up.
This massive garage offers plenty of storage, a place for cars, bikes, boats, and a work-from-home area, and even a gym. And don't get stuck without milk, coffee, or dinner. The Woodlands Park Dairy and the Burger John's is a stone throw away.
You won't sleep on a good love.
Nature lovers, this place is for you. So make sure that you download the property documents from our website, proagent.co.nz.
Give us a call for a private viewing or visit us at one of our open homes.